process. Scale up requires design for manufacturing, process validation, supply chain, reliability testing, and of course quality systems. We're all working with 13485 now. It's coming. Six Sigma demands on these in your processing. You'll see those in your quality processing. So the common process typically is you start with a prototype concept, you move to pilot, you might go to validation of the process, and then maybe global sales. But what we find is really happening a lot of times is we may skip the prototype, we may go right to small batch builds and never really work in this prototyping phase here. What happens is a lot of times we're going right to small batch builds, we're validating it, and then out we go and we ship it. So prototyping is really a really important step to do and understand what a prototype is. What a prototype really is it is not something you're going to sell to a customer. It's something you're going to make. It's something you're going to give. It's something that everybody has to set themselves up to do 4 or 5 times. If I give you a sample of something, the first time you look at it, I guarantee you will not like it. That's okay. So you continue to do it again and again and again until you can get into a small pilot build and then validate it and then scale it up. Scale up is really engineered at the very beginning. Whatever you use in prototype and that customers like or people like, you really need at the global scale, which goes back to that vertical integration and your bag of tricks that you have to do. The number one problem I see is everybody either going from prototype right to a validated production or pilot right to a validated production and never skipping this process. Demand people run through that process.